The hidden dangers of uncontrolled spending, how it affects your financial future. Today, we will talk about this. Subscribe to us so not to miss us. One of the most common mistakes in our financial life is uncontrolled spending. No matter how much you earn, if you don't track your expenses, you are at financial risk. Today, we will explain this problem slowly, clearly, and carefully. Why people don't control their spending. People have different reasons for not controlling their spending. Some make impulsive purchases. Others spend under the pressure of advertising or social influence. Often, expenses are unplanned. As a result, financial control is lost. Consequences of uncontrolled spending. Uncontrolled spending leads to financial stress. Debts accumulate, your bank account balance drops, future investments may not happen. Even a high income cannot compensate for uncontrolled spending. A simple example. For example, your monthly income is $2,000, but your expenses are $2,200. Every month, you go $200 into debt. Over time, this debt grows. That is why controlling expenses is important at any income level. How to control spending. Controlling your spending starts with simple steps. Create a monthly budget. Track every expense. Reduce unnecessary purchases. Build an emergency savings fund. These steps create a slow but steady path toward financial stability. Using technology to track expenses. Today, apps make it easier to track spending. You can automatically categorize your monthly expenses. You can see where you are overspending. This makes financial control slow but effective. The psychological side. Controlling spending is not only about numbers. Overspending often comes from emotions, stress, excitement, or external pressure. Developing financial awareness is a key part of solving this problem. Conclusion and call to action. Uncontrolled spending puts your financial future at risk. Start today. Create a budget. Track your expenses. Develop financial awareness. Change happens slowly, but it is reliable. How uncontrolled spending impacts your future goals. When we spend without control, it doesn't just affect today. It affects our plans for the future. Dreams like buying a house, starting a business, or saving for education can be delayed or lost. Every unnecessary expense adds up and slows down your financial goals. Taking the first step toward control. The first step is awareness. Look at your expenses calmly. Understand where your money goes. Small changes today create big differences tomorrow. Financial control is a habit, built slowly but reliably.